Itong nahulog di Sofia.
So, you don't need to support her na kasi pag na Sofia na nakaganon siya, she has to balance it na by herself talaga. If pagka-transfer mo...
But I'm not helping her though. I'm just... And in case
you can still save it if ever. Like, they can do that to their...
But it doesn't, Inigo, it doesn't make a difference whether she...
She has to move na kasi, diba? Pagka nandun.
Yeah, she can move.
Yeah, pero she was just waiting for...
I'm just waiting for her to stabilize.
Gumagalaw kasi yung
para may lang. Support ka.
Yeah. Just for her to stabilize.
She's gonna stabilize by herself, like how you did it by yourself also.
No,
But
that's
ask
what
her
I'm
if
doing.
she's comfortable.
Comfortable ka.
Comfortable
ka lang may ganun o wala.
Kaya mo yun.
Yeah.
Promise. Like, pagkabigay ni Ashley sa'yo, you stabilize by yourself.
No, she is...
No,
Ikaw mas
she
comfortable.
is
It's just an added support. They can save it, bro. They can save it. I'm just,
Hindi naman ako yun.
Guys, may discard. Try natin ulit.
Game.
Sorry guys.
Okay na.
Grabe ang commercial.